Welcome, nature enthusiasts, to a fascinating journey into the world of swimming and hydrodynamics in nature. WaveHerb. In this episode, we'll explore how aquatic creatures have perfected the art of swimming by adapting to the laws of hydrodynamics in their natural habitats. Get ready to be amazed by the incredible adaptations and techniques that allow them to navigate water with precision and efficiency. Let's kick things off with some of nature's hydrodynamic wonders, like dolphins and fish. Their streamlined bodies, fin designs, and synchronized movements are marvels of efficiency in water. Even our feathered friends, like swans and ducks, demonstrate remarkable hydrodynamics as they gracefully glide on the water's surface. Ever wondered how these creatures achieve such incredible grace underwater? It's all about biomech. We'll delve into the principles of hydrodynamics, examining how different animals' shapes, sizes, and propulsion mechanisms influence their swimming abilities. Some aquatic animals are built for speed. We'll uncover the secrets of fast swimmers like sharks and whales, exploring their streamlined forms and incredible muscle power. Their hydrodynamic prowess isn't just about speed, it's also about the precise control they have during high-speed pursuits. Many aquatic creatures use camouflage techniques to hide from predators or prey. We'll discover how their colors, patterns, and even behaviors are all part of their hydrodynamic survival strategy. This segment might surprise you as we draw fascinating parallels between aquatic and land creatures. The world's aquatic environments are incredibly diverse, from serene lakes to rushing rivers and deep ocean trenches. We'll explore how animals adapt to their specific habitats using hydrodynamics. Understanding these adaptations not only showcases nature's incredible diversity but also sheds light on how we can protect these delicate ecosystems. And there you have it, folks. Nature's masters of swimming and hydrodynamics never cease to amaze us with their remarkable adaptations and techniques. I hope this journey through the aquatic world has deepened your appreciation for the beauty and complexity of nature's hydrodynamic wonders.